Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can import your books to Kindle library regardless of the device if you are having. For this I prepared two documents, a PDF and a surprise epub file, which can be uploaded using the Send to Kindle app or using the web version of the application. I would recommend using the web version of the application due to the fact that it has more file size and the fact that it supports the epub format as well. If you are using the client, unfortunately the epub format is not supported and you have a limit of maximum 20 megabytes for uploading the files. In order to upload the files using Send to Kindle web application, you need to sign into your Amazon account, and you are on the screen which tells you what kind of formats you can import to the application. The nice thing about the application is that you can either import one single file by drag and dropping, or you can import multiple ones having different formats. After a few minutes, the status processing will change to in library. You can check your device and the files will be uploaded to it and can be downloaded to regardless what Kindle device do you have. Another option of uploading files is using the Windows app, which can be installed by using the wizard, which I will download just right now. Let's install the application. Choosing the default path. And the application is installed. When opening it, you need to log in with your username and password. And now the application is installed. One big caveat by using the application is the fact that you can't send all the files which you would like to send. For example, if you want to send a PDF file, that shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, I can select my device and simply click send, and the document will be uploaded to my device. Nevertheless, if I'm trying to send an epub file, you can see that the file cannot be sent. The extension is not supported using the Windows client. This is supported only using the web interface from Send to Kindle. So be aware that there are limitations using the client for Windows in comparison with using the web client. The two limitations which I already mentioned are the epub format, which cannot be sent using the Windows client, and the maximum file size, which is only 20 megabytes using the Windows client. On the web client, you have 200 megabytes, so then you shouldn't have any problems uploading the books to your library. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.